Well, week 2 of September is loaded with events for the job search. I know that most of you have a job on the side, but this is time it's different. It's going to be a job that requires a college degree, and that process is fundamentally different. You've got some clothes that you can take from the FHSU library, etiquette dinner. You will be taken to lunch, and you better know how to eat properly. The Career Readiness Conference, that is a morning event. The mock interview you are mandated to go to. If this is what you're interested in, that's a special meeting. And how do you network, which is the key to business success, in my humble opinion. Then the career and internship day, which everybody is going to go to. And if you're interested in study abroad, there'll be a fair. So get ready. You're in for a treat.